start stretching that stomach with hardly any calories, you get satisfaction and hunger comes faster. You can't survive on greens, though. They don't have enough calories to make you survive. But that pattern of eating will help you to make sure you always eat the salad. For example, I'll eat my starch first after I worked a long day. If I eat too much of that starch, I won't even want the salad. So the benefit of eating the salad first is, otherwise might not eat it.
Mike want to know which is better, white or sweet potatoes, and also is brown rice better than white rice?
Well, first of all, on the rice, I prefer white rice. White rice has a much longer shelf life. There's some fat in the outer part of the brown rice that makes it spoil faster. In addition, brown rice is more likely to be contaminated by arsenic. And when you convert it to white rice, you start moving some of the outer part of it and some of the fiber too, but you make it have less arsenic. And don't get me wrong, the amount of arsenic in rice is relatively small. I still eat rice about 3-4 times a week in comparison with, I would never eat chicken. Chicken's got arsenic much higher. And the reason is they would give arsenic antibiotics to the chickens because they had intestinal parasites. And then they found that the chicken would stay fresh looking on the shelves longer if it had gotten the arsenic antibiotics. So they just keep on giving arsenic to these chickens. But then what happened is the chicken farmers sold the chicken feces to the rice farmers, and that's how they got some arsenic into the rice farms, including the organic ones. So including the so-called best option California organic rice, there's some arsenic in it. But it's actually worse if you go in the southeastern United States because they used to grow cotton. Cotton's a textile product, so they could spray a lot more arsenic pesticides on there because they had boll weevil insect problem.